Unfolding the mystery. Understanding folding clothes. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common yet interesting phrase in English, folding clothes. Understanding such everyday phrases not only improves your language skills but also helps you become more fluent in daily conversations. Let's dive into the world of laundry and language. Folding clothes refers to the action of bending or pleating garments and other pieces of fabric, like towels or sheets, into a more compact shape. This is usually done after washing and drying clothes to keep them neat and reduce wrinkles. We will explore how this simple task is described and performed in English-speaking cultures. In this section, we'll visually demonstrate the step-by-step process of folding different types of clothing. From shirts and trousers to socks and towels, you'll learn not only the language but also the practical skills involved in this task. Here, we'll introduce some common phrases and vocabulary related to folding clothes. Terms like crease, stack, hang up, and laundry basket will be explained. Understanding these terms is crucial for enhancing your conversational skills related to household chores. Folding clothes can vary culturally. We'll share some interesting methods from around the world and offer tips on how to efficiently and effectively fold clothes. This section will not only teach you about the phrase but also about cultural practices in English-speaking countries. We hope this video has made the phrase, folding clothes, clear and easy for you to use in your daily life. Remember, practicing these small phrases and tasks can make a big difference in mastering English. Happy folding and learning!